Hi everybody, welcome back to the Home Bartender. Let's not waste any time and let's make the sidecar. For the sidecar, you will need 1.5 ounces of cognac, 1 ounce of Cointreau, and 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And then we will have sugar for the rim on the garnish. Time to mix the cocktail. So before I mix it, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice on the rim of my glass because I'm going to garnish this glass first. And if you turn this upside down like this, then the lemon juice doesn't run into your drink or run down the coupe. This is a mixture of just regular sugar and demerara, but you can do whatever you want. You could even put lemon in the, like a lemon zest in with the sugar if you wanted to, whatever makes you happy. So we're gonna get that on the rim. Need just a little bit more, as you can see here. So that's how you sugar a rim. And then I'm at home, so I'm just gonna use my finger and kind of go along the edge and clean this up. And if I need to, I'll fill in those spaces at some point. So let's mix the cocktail. We will need 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna need 1 ounce of Cointreau. We're gonna need 1.5 ounces of cognac. Some recipes call for 2 ounces, some even call for 2.5 ounces, but I like the 1.5 ounces in this cocktail. I'm gonna get some ice in my mixing glass and we're gonna shake this up. Just give it a quick shake. Get it really cold. And I'm gonna get my glass over here. And then let's strain it into the coupe. And there we have a beautiful sidecar. So there are literally thousands of recipes on the internet for the sidecar. There's lots of books that have the sidecar in it, but I think that Dale Degroff's version in this book that I just got for Christmas, The Craft of the Cocktail, is the best. He does call for a little bit more cognac. My husband likes it that way. He likes it with 2 ounces of cognac instead. So I wanted to talk about the designation that I'm using here. I'm using Hennessy VSOP, and the VSOP stands for Very Superior Old Pale. It's a guarantee that the cognac has been aged for 4 years. Dale does not specify in his book to use this cognac, so you can use whatever cognac that you have or that you want to use, but I do like Hennessy's products. It brings a very specific light spice and a caramel kind of compound that comes in. It works well with the orange of the Cointreau and the lemon. It's smooth and it warms you right up, and the sugar rim helps a lot. So I'm gonna try this cocktail. It's really nice. I don't generally like really boozy drinks, but with that sugar rim, I know this drink has a lot of booze in it, that sugar rim makes all the difference. So you should give this a try. It helps with the drier side of the cocktail and it warms you right up. I'm on Instagram at Home Bartender and join me over there for a picture and a recipe. And here on YouTube, it's really helpful if you would subscribe, and if you like the video, hit like and share it with a friend. That really helps a lot. That helps me with new viewers, and I want to share my content with as many people as I can. I just want to help everybody to enjoy home bartending. So we will see you next week for a new video.